Hey everyone, hope you all are having a good day. Welcome back to my channel. If you all don't know me already, I am Kijwana, and what I'm going to do for you guys today, I'm going to show you how to cornrow your own hair. So in this case, there is two ways to position your hands to cornrow your hair, but only one is possible when you're doing it on your own. So you've got this way where you position your hands, and you also have this way where you position your hands, but we're only going to go with the second method. So the first thing I'm going to do, I will be using my Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment, which I always use on a day-to-day basis because it's like a conditioning treatment type of thing. Don't know if you can see it, but this is it. This is like the only product I've always loved and used from Cantu. I haven't tried their other products, but I am open to try. We're just going to use a little bit to put on the hair. Now that we're finished applying the Cantu conditioning treatment, I like to go in with my Indian hemp oil. There's not a lot left because I rinse it. But yeah, I like to keep my hair moisturized, especially the fact that we're going to braid it now. So this is actually how it looks. It has some little leaf stuff inside of it, which I always hate because sometimes it leaves it on your hair, but it's not that bad. But it's really good for my hair. I've never had an issue with it. I'm just going to use a little bit, and now I'm just going to add it to my hair. We're going to start parting our hair. Not going to do them too small. So now, as you can see, we're finished parting the first one, and I just catch this here to this side so it doesn't get in my way. What I normally do, I part off this little bit first, so you have that 3 you can grip. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to put this one underneath like that. While this one goes under, this one comes above. And then we're just going to work our way in. We're just going to continue in and keep doing the same thing. I'm just going to continue, and we're still doing the same thing. Under, over, under, over. And we just keep doing the same thing. Hope you guys can see. And if you look and like pieces of hair are getting left out, you can just put it in. That's all you're doing. And you just continue with the same thing. And you just carry on bringing it back. As you can see. So we just continue to do it like that. So you see, guys, if you practice this, it will become so simple. Just carry on. Bring it all the way to the back. I'll show you the second one where I'm actually bringing it all the way to the back. And we just finish and just plait it down. So now you know when we finish, we don't have to hold our hands that way anymore. We just continue down with it. Make it a bit tight so the ends don't pull out. Whereas my ends are really sharp because I had a cut the other day. So hopefully you guys can see it very closely. That's the first cornrow. I like to do the second one now on this side just to make it align. So I'm just gonna part it now. So now that we'll finish parting this one, you guys can see. Now that I'm finished parting that one. So now I'm finished parting that one, I'm gonna just tie my hair away again, just to get it out of my way as we get into the cornrow. All right, this is it. And like we said, we're not gonna go in too big. So now I want to be more precise with it because I feel like you probably didn't see it the first time. So what I did is I part the first bit off. You want to make it small. So I part the first bit off, want to make it small. This is just for beginners because I know it can be quite difficult. I had the same issue when I just started doing my hair myself. So I then separate it in 3 parts. And then what I do, I'm now going to go in with it. I'm going to put my finger underneath this one. So the middle one, I'm putting my finger underneath it to bring the one to the left under, sorry. And then I then bring my finger back there. And then this one under. And then I just continue to work my way in. Just continuing the same process. Just continuing the same process as we go. And just doing the same thing over and over again. As we add here, we just keep adding more here to go down with the cornrow. Just going in with it as we go down. Going in with it. All the way to the back. Just like that. Just like that, and then we come right in and finish it to the end. Start plaiting it this way now to the ends. Just like that. So this is it now, guys. Now, as you can see, I'm all finished now. This is how you cornrow your own hair. Yeah, that was tiring, but we made it. So this is the back. Hope you guys really liked this video and hopefully it was also helpful. So I guess see you guys next time on my next video. See you guys, bye.